And welcome back to another Java tutorial. My name's Kelvin from Firehawk Productions, and in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to install Java so that you can start coding. So first, navigate to your browser. Alright, and then type in java.sun.com. It should bring you to a page like this. So right now, click on this link right here, Java Downloads, and it should bring you to this page. Now the version we want to download is the Java Platform JDK, the Java Development Kit. With this downloaded, you can start coding with Java. So we're just going to download this, and depending on what your operating system is, so I use Windows 64-bit, so I'm going to download this one. If you use 32-bit, you're going to download this. If you're not sure what version you have, typically if you have 4 gigs or more of RAM, usually you have a Windows 64-bit, and if you have anything less, you have a 32-bit. So we're just going to go ahead and download this after accepting the license agreement. I'm just going to download this. Save. Okay, and since I already have this, I'm not going to download it again, but we'll return once you have finished downloading this. Okay, so once we finish downloading it, you're going to double click on it and install it. So just keep pressing next until you've finished with the installation. And then we're going to test to see if Java is now installed on our machine. So you're going to click on Start, go to Run, and type in CMD, which is the command line. So now that we have that open, we're going to type in Java C. This stands for the Java compiler. So after you type that in, press enter. You can see that it's not recognized. This is because the Java compiler has not been defined on your computer. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to define it. So click on your start menu, click on My Computer, and then click on C drive, click on Program Files. So after you've installed Java, you should see a Java folder right here. If you don't, then you must have installed it either you must have installed it in another location, or the installation was not successful. So once you've navigated to your Java folder, double click on it, and then you're going to have the first folder you're going to see is the JDK 1.7 something something something. Okay, the last two digits, they're probably different from mine because your version is much newer. So double click on it, and then click on bin, and then what you're going to do is you're going to copy this file, this folder location. So you can do that by clicking up here, and then right click, copy. Okay, this is our magic line. Okay, so what you're going to do now is go back to My Computer, and then click on right click on Properties, and then you're going to click on Advanced System Settings right here. After you have that, you're going to go to the Advanced tab and click on Environment Variables. Now this is where we're going to define where the Java compiler is. So what you're going to do now is click on New right here, and for the variable name, enter path with a capital P. As for the variable value, you're going to right click on Paste, and press OK. Now some people might already have path as a variable defined. So what you're going to do is, let's say you had something here before. Let's say if it was blah blah blah, whatever. All you have to do is put a semicolon, and then space, and then paste. Okay? and then you press OK. So right now I'm just gonna do it as what we had before. So I'm gonna press OK, press OK, press OK, click exit. Now if we go back to the command prompt and you type in Java C, it's not recognized because I have to restart it. So I'm gonna go to run again, cmd, type in Java C. So now a bunch of stuff is going to pop up, which indicates that we have Java, the Java compiler is defined, and Java is on our computer. So now we're ready to code. So the next thing you want to do is you need something called a Java Ide, which stands for Java Interactive Development Environment. What this is it's basically a program that allows you to code Java, run it, and see what you coded. Okay, so now what we need to do is install the Java IDE. Okay, so the one I'm going to be using for my tutorials is going to be called Eclipse. So in your browser, type in eclipse.org. Press enter, and it'll lead you to this page. Go ahead and click on Downloads, and we're going to download the very first one. Okay, just because it has everything that we're going to be needing. So again, I'm going to click on Windows 64-bit because I have a 64-bit computer, and then just go ahead and click on this, and it's going to tell you to donate, but it'll automatically just download. Press save, and since I already have Eclipse downloaded, I'm not going to re-download it again. So if you notice, if you saved it on your wherever you saved it, you're gonna download a .zip folder. So just go ahead and extract everything from there, and you're going to end up with. So for me, I extracted everything in C drive program files, and here I put Eclipse, and you're gonna see all this stuff. Okay, so the one we're interested in is Eclipse.exe, and I'm not gonna open it right now. That's going to be in the next tutorial. So that's just going to be it for this video. If you're learning, please subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next video.